Okay, in late winter or early spring, you'll probably find a lot of your herbs will have started sprouting back, coming back to life. This one here is marjoram or oregano. Other ones like lemon balm or mint. They tend to die down for the winter, but then this time of year you'll start to see lovely little green shoots appearing. But what you'll often find is you may not have actually cut back the old foliage, so this is a good time of year just to literally get a pair of scissors and just cut off all the old stalks. Cut back as low as you can, really. You don't have to go completely down to the bottom, but just to smarten and tidy it up, just to allow the new growth to come through. Good time to take out any old leaves, any old dead pieces of foliage. And if they're in a pot like this, it's actually a good time to perhaps sprinkle a little bit of fertiliser on the top, just a light sprinkling. Bit of grow more or some chicken manure pellets, something like that, just on the top. Or you could just top dress it actually before with just a little bit of compost, fresh compost, and it'll all just grow through. So that will just feed the pot for the coming season. And again, if you've got them in the ground, again you can just give them a nice light sprinkling of some fertiliser. So just basically just time to go around and just tidy up. There might be a few little weeds growing as well. Just tidy up all the herbs and get them ready for the new season.